guys. Ayun na mga neighborhood. Yes neighbors. Ayan na ang ating chop suey. Yes. Ayan na po. Okay. Let's go. Ready na. Ready na natin iyain dun sa labas. Meron tayong kasing get together with neighbors. Okay. Bye-bye.